Hello everyone, welcome to all of you Chauhan Management classes. And today class I have a study of difference between recruitment and selection. Recruitment and selection. Today I have a study discuss a topic of the recruitment and selection. Difference between recruitment and selection. So again, do have you have a new candidate in this channel? So then subscribe this channel Chauhan Management classes and like and share this channel. Then I continue अपने कंटिन्यू दिस टॉपिक रिक्रूटमेंट एंड सिलेक्शन वन साइड note down recruitment and after one side selection. One page have a two parts, one side recruitment, one side selection. Then I discuss a to be continue recruitment process is conducted from the before selection process. Recruitment process is conducted from the before selection process. And now first one, selection side. Selection is the conduct process. Selection is conducted from the selection process has a conducted from the after recruitment process. Selection has a conducted from the after that recruitment process. Now second point, the main objective of recruitment. There is a attract a maximum number of applicants. There is a attract the main objectives and motto and a goal of recruitment goal is there is attract a maximum number of applicants. There is a attract a maximum number of applicants and make a large pool of applicants. And selection side, select the main objectives of selection, the choose the best and suitable candidate. Choose the best and suitable and educated and suitable candidate in the selection process. Next, selection is the main objective of selection is the choose the best and suitable candidate for this selection process. And now next point, recruitment side. Recruitment is the called a positive process. Because why called a recruitment called positive process? Because recruitment is called a positive process because it attract a maximum number of applicants, large number of applicants, many large number of applicants and made a large pool of applicant. This is called a positive process. And selection side, selection is the negative process because why called a selection is a negative process? Because selection is a reject the many candidate or applicants in this selection process. Because why selection process, under selection process choose the best and suitable candidate for this process. This is called a selection. And so called a many large applicant of the reject applicant of many applicant reject this process, selection process, because select a best and suitable candidate in this under this selection process. So called a selection is a negative process. Getting all of you. And next point I discuss a recruitment methods of recruitment are not very comprehensive. Who the method of recruitment? Methods of recruitments are not very comprehensive. Why this is? There is no more requirement very highly skilled person and educated person under this recruitment process. So methods of recruitment there is no recommendation is highly person skilled person. This under this process, recruitment process, methods of recruitment, there are no comprehensive methods, there are no comprehensive methods and not recommend a highly skilled educated person. There is no more requirement highly skilled person, educated person under this recruitment process. Now come to the explain the selection process. Selection process is a very specialized method. selection process is a very specialized method because there is a requirement very educated and highly skilled person. There is a requirement highly educated and skilled person. This my under selection process. So this is a very specialized method of selection because why requirement is highly educated and skilled person. So because it's a choose the suitable, select the suitable and best candidate under this selection process. So I requirement a best and educated and suitable and best and educated and highly skilled person under this process who follow the selection process. Then you are getting all of you. I repeated this methods of recruitment are not comprehensive because there is no requirement highly skilled person and educated person, no recommend the well educated person under this recruitment process. But selection is very specialized method. Selection is a very specialized method because there is a under this selection process under this well highly educated and skilled person who follow the selection process under the very skills and highly educated person under this selection process. So it's a requirement a very educated person under this selection process. It's a very specialized method of selection. Now second point of the difference in difference, second last and point, recruitment side, recruitment under recruitment service contract is not follow up, not overcome of the employee under recruitment process. Service contract has not follow up in this process. Recruitment process service contract not follow up under recruitment process. And now selection under the selection service contract between employer, the important mention and my get out the mind. Selection process under service contract has a follow up. Service contract has a follow up employer and selected candidate in under selection process. Under selection service contract has a follow up. Service contract has a sign follow up whose employer and selected candidate is under selection process. So this is a difference between recruitment and selection. All of you getting this? And now I have discussed, I brief the recruitment and selection. One by one, I explain the recruitment definition, concept definition, introduction, concept definition, and methods and process. And after that, completed the selection, my concept, meaning, definition, and methods and process of the selection. I explain the brief, briefly elaborate this recruitment selection after that class. Now continue. Thank you everyone.